So today we are going to install IPGhost, which will change your IP every time. So sudo su and command type and permission to root your password and copy paste URL no and cd desktop, then copy paste URL IPGhost. Okay, I give you the link in the description. Okay, and download IPGhost file, then ls IPGhost there desktop and this folder. Okay, and clear screen. Okay, ls IPGhost cd IPGhost, type IPGhost and hit enter, then ls IPGhost there. Okay, and again cd IPGhost, so hit enter and ls, then installation file. Okay, install.sh, clear screen, then bash install. Okay, so sudo then bash install.sh, this like a command ls install.sh, bash install.sh. Okay, and press y, permission. Okay, congratulations, IPGhost in install successfully from now. Just type IPGhost in the terminal. So sudo IPGhost, simple IPGhost, then hit enter and start your IPGhost and give some commands there and interval like minimum 5-10 between a time and IPGhost the work, and here will start installation process and that completed. Okay, and IPGhost running automatically, install necessary dependency. Okay, and proxy 127.0.0.1, this is a local host port 9050. Okay, okay, then installation is completed, so I type 5. Okay, then hit enter, then infinite mode, okay, activated, process control C stop. Okay, then start your IP changing. Okay, then we are going to browser screen and search network setting down network setting and proxy control configuration manually and SOC case proxy, then 127.1.1 no 127.0.0.1 like. Okay, 0.0.1, this is a local host and 9050, then save and I check DNS like IP leaker, DNS IP leaker, search IP leaker. Okay, and I checked Sweden. Okay, hello Sweden. So changing my IP address Sweden, expand standard form like to proxy. Okay, there is change IP a second. Okay, so I connect my IP address, so this is change now, updated. Okay, I am not bot. Okay, I am not bot screen, and then select manually captions like bicycle, bus, train, bridge. Okay, verified. Okay, once more, verified. Okay, I am not bot. Then okay, all accept. Okay, my IP is okay, checkpoint address, verify. Sweden. Okay, and I check verify, and my IP is here, Sweden. Okay, so my IP is here, Sweden. City. Okay, agree. So my IP is change every time. Okay, and my IP is Sweden. Okay, and city, regions, etc. Expand network and standard test. So standard test, city, region, standard test, Australia. Okay, my IPs change every time. Okay, and Sweden this year, the first time, and okay, Sweden. No thanks, and I close browser, and control C and stop IP changing. Okay, then close screen, open my browser, and uh, DNS leaker. So my IP is not change Netherlands. Okay, and I will go to DNS leaker, and no change. I will go to settings. Okay, I will go to setting, and network, down to end, and click on network setting, and proxies, no proxy save, and check India. Okay, so we will today install IPGhost and change my IP every time, and we will need first download IPGhost file. I give you description. Okay, enjoy. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye.